Hi everyone! So today I have the beautiful Glory by Dipnotic Nails, and I want to show you something that I did with this color that is super fun, and I want to try this today. So the other day, before 4th of July, I chromed this color. I dipped this, and then I chromed a really pretty blue chrome powder from a different brand, so I got this gorgeous look. And I did wear this, so these may be a little bit old and worn, so don't mind that. These are my press-on nails in stiletto. So I did chrome this using a chrome powder a little while ago for 4th of July. But the other thing that I want to do as far as chroming, I want to try chroming this color without any chrome powder. I want to just use this. And since it's a shimmer, and I don't know if you guys knew this, but you can pretty much chrome any shimmer dip powder. So since it's a shimmer, I want to give that a try. So I'm going to show you how I do that in this video. I have these press-on nails. They're short coffin shape. I did 2 dips of Glory, and then I activated it and then filed and buffed. So that was all done before I started this video. So right now I am going to apply my gel top coat, and this is from a different brand. So I'm gonna apply my tack-free gel top coat, and then I'm gonna cure in my lamp for probably about 5 seconds, and then I'm gonna dip it right into the powder. So I'm gonna show you step by step how I do that. And so this is going to be interesting because I haven't chromed this yet. I haven't tried this before, so using this color. So I think this will be really interesting to see how it turns out. And as you can see, I buffed this and filed it super smooth. I don't know if that's focused, but a big tip for chroming, you want to make sure that you get it as smooth as you can on that surface, because you don't want it to look lumpy and bumpy, and chrome has a tendency of showing literally every little thing. So that's a really good tip to make sure you get a really good result. The other thing I noticed is sometimes, and this is tricky, sometimes the way I apply the gel polish can have an effect. Sometimes I get little bubbles just from the way that I apply the gel polish. So sometimes that's a little bit tricky, but just do the best that you can. So I just applied the gel top coat on here, and so I'm gonna put it in my nail lamp for 5 seconds. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Oop, let me start over. And then I'm gonna pull it out and dip it right into Glory. And then I'm just gonna start rubbing it very vigorously. And I'm just gonna keep rubbing and rubbing. You can also use a chrome applicator to do this if you'd rather not use your finger. My fingers will probably turn a little blue, but that's okay. And you can dip it a couple times and rub it. And it has this really pretty subtle chrome, and I really am liking how this is looking right now. I don't know if you guys can see that yet, but I'm really liking how this is turning out. This is the first time, like I said, I'm chroming this color on top of itself without any chrome powder. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to dust off my finger and dust this off and see what we're working with here and see what we think. So this is how it turned out. I think it's super cute. So I'm going to put this in the lamp. Oh. There's a little spot here that I kind of like want to buff a little bit more for a second. Okay. Make sure you rub it really good so you get that whole surface. Okay, so I am going to cure this for about 30 seconds. And I took this out of the lamp. I think it looks so cool. I really like this. So I am going to do another layer of tack-free gel top coat, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and this one will be done. You guys will have to let me know what your favorite Dipnotics color is. I think this might be mine. I love this color. It's so gorgeous, and it gives really great coverage with literally just like 1 or 2 dips, and there's just so much you can do with it. It's such a pretty deep color, and it is so easy to work with. I just absolutely love that. But then I also do like chunky glitters, and I do really love hydrangea from Dipnotic with the Cape Cod collection. So this one may be tied with that one because I do love a good glitter, so that's a tough call. So this is our finished product for the thumb, and I love this so much. It is so much fun. It is still very different from the chrome powder. I don't know if you can see the comparison between the two. I hope my lighting is good. Let me stand up just so you can get a better visual. It is very slightly different, but also kind of similar. It's slightly a different hue. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna have to upgrade my lighting because my one bulb burned out, but I think this is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, and I'll let you tag along and watch. So as you can see, this is the finished set. So I am going to put it on one of my display stands so we can better compare the two sets. And this is with chrome powder from a different brand, and then what I just did in this video was chroming without any chrome powder. So you can do that with shimmers, as you know now. So have fun going through literally every shimmer glitter that you own and trying to chrome every single one. Been there. It's a lot of fun, but you will be covered in dip powder in no time. So here is the comparison shot. I will hold it up closer. So I think they're both so pretty, and they're very similar, just very slightly different, I think, with the actual shade, and the actual chrome itself is different. I like that this one is more subtle, as you can see. I'm gonna make sure that I'm focused here so you can see really well. And it's just such a pretty deep blue. I absolutely love that. And this one it's a little more mirror-esque. So I think that is the difference in the two. I love that this one is subtle, and I love that this one has more of a mirror effect. So I can see myself wearing both of these, and I just absolutely love this color. So if you guys haven't picked this up yet, definitely go find it on the website if it's still there and snag it before it's too late. I absolutely love this company, Dipnotic Nails, and their dip powders are amazing, so go check them out. Dipnotic Nails is on Etsy, and it's also on the website Dipnotic Nails, so go check it out. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.